we are going to represent root 9.3 on the number line. Whatever is the value within the root, that value we will draw by using a scale. So you can take your scale and you can draw length 9.3, 9.123, and you can mark that point A, this one is B, and this length is 9.3 unit. Now on the same line we can draw 1 unit length like this, and you can represent that point as C. Actually this one is 1 unit length. BC is 1 unit length, AB is 9.3 unit. Now we have to find the center of the line segment AC. So in order to find the center of the line segment AC, we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. We can draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Then it will meet at a point on the line segment AC. That point will be the middle of AC, that you can give it as O. Now you can take your compass and keep the leg at O and head at A. After that you can draw a half circle like this. You can draw a half circle like this. Then these half circles will pass through A and C. You can see. Now you have to draw a perpendicular at B. We can use protractor, set square, or compass also you can draw. Here I am using set square, so that we will get 90 degree perpendicular. This is a perpendicular, so we can draw a perpendicular. Then this perpendicular will meet at a point on the half circle. That point you can take it as D. Now you have to take your scale and extend this line segment AC. You can extend like this. You can keep one arrow. Now you have to take your compass and keep the leg at B and the head at D. Then you have to draw an arc like this. Then this arc will meet at a point on this line. That point you can take A, B, C, D, E. Actually this point is root 9.3. So we located, or we represented root 9.3 on the number line. That means B will be 0, C will be 1, and E will be root 9.3. That means the distance from B to E is root 9.3 units. So this is the way how to locate or represent root 9.3 on the number line.